What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to set up the email template in the Freshsales CRM platform. Click on the link in the description below so you will be redirected to this platform. Just log in with your official credentials and you will be redirected to the dashboard. So once you're on the dashboard, you have to navigate yourself to the left hand side to the conversation list. So click on the conversation tab and you will be redirected to this page. You will see a bunch of options: awaiting responses, team inbox, and scheduled, draft, trash, email template. And that's the one thing that we are looking forward to. Just go ahead and click on the email template. Here, what we can do, we can create an email template from here. For example, there are a bunch of templates. I'll connect with the inbound leads. Just go click on that, and then it will replace your current one. So there are plenty of templates, obviously, and you can create your one from here by clicking on create one. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.